Hello sir, here I am sharing my relevant project which I have done for generating the scorecard. This is scoring sheet. Here are all the scores will be calculated, and here are the different domains which we have to cater for. This is basically an audit reporting system which collects the score against each audit check. Okay, here is the criteria given, like if it is not met, then the score is 0, met is 1 point, and if not applicable, this won't be calculated. Suppose I click this one, it says 0 point, and it says 1 point only. So if I click two of them, then it will be 2. It is being done in real time in Excel, and similarly for this case, and we can do this. Not applicable means this won't be count on the total score, and not met will be counted on the total score. Suppose there are 3 tasks here. If all of them are completed, then they will score 100%. If one is not met, then it will be 66%, like 2 of 3 done. If it is not applicable and 2 are met, 1 is not applicable, 2 are met, then it would also be 100% because it is not applicable in this case. So based on this, we are generating the score here, and here's the criteria that is being retrieved from the given score. Like it is hygiene related scores, operational, administration, and here are the different parameters, and there are further sub parameters, like it is meal planning. So total scores we see here against the meal planning. These are the possible scores as 2, but this center has achieved 2. As soon as I choose any other from there, like 3 and 4, that is calculated in real time. Yeah. So similarly, this is basically based on like these 3 main domains, and there are subdomains against each, like food allergies. There are 4 further points, and it is being aggregated accordingly. So this is done using VBA programming in the background, and this final solution would be a simple VBA enabled, like macro enabled sheet, and we will be doing all the calculations here. We'll see. I will write a clean code for easy debugging or easy modification if required in future. So let us see. This meets the programming standards. So here are the properly structured, and it is done beautifully for easy debugging in a very professional manner. Thank you, sir. I will share other things with you soon. Thank you.